Reindeer, also known as caribou, are majestic animals that are well adapted to life in the harsh Arctic tundra. Here are a few facts to know about these fascinating creatures. Reindeer are part of the deer family, and are found throughout the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe, Asia, and North America. They are known for their thick fur coats, which help them stay warm in the harsh Arctic climate. Reindeer have a unique characteristic that sets them apart from other members of the deer family. Both males and females grow antlers. These antlers can be up to 4 feet long and are shed and regrown each year. Reindeer are herbivores and their diet consists mainly of lichens, mosses, and other plants that grow in the Arctic tundra. They also eat the leaves of willows and birches when they are available. Reindeer are known for their incredible endurance and are able to travel long distances in search of food. They are also able to swim across rivers and lakes, which helps them to find new grazing grounds. Reindeer have been an important animal for many indigenous people for thousands of years. They were used for transportation, food, and clothing. Some cultures also believe that reindeer are sacred animals. Reindeer are also famous for their association with Santa Claus. According to legend, Santa Claus's reindeer pull his sleigh on Christmas Eve to deliver presents to children around the world. Those are just a few facts to know about reindeer. These amazing animals are an important part of the Arctic ecosystem and have played a significant role in human culture throughout history. Thanks for watching.